The Lence Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. Our strong steel frame construction holds up to 220 pounds. A carrying bag allows for easy transport. Setup is quick and simple. An extra mat allows for added support. The height and handle position can be adjusted to your preferred length and comfort. Getting stuck in the grass is a thing of the past. An internal pull rope design allows it to be folded in seconds. The wide and sturdy wheels make for effortless transport on most terrains. Safely transport all types of supplies without the fear of ripping the fabric. 2 mesh cup holders keep beverages safe and secure. The material is durable and waterproof. No need to worry about dirt and messes. This wagon is easy to disassemble and clean. Everything in life should be this easy. The Lence Collapsible Outdoor Utility.